Welcome to Slack, a messaging app for business. A lot of you might be curious why a business tool is called Slack, but the name is actually the acronym for Searchable Log of All Conversation and Knowledge. Slack transforms the way organizations communicate by bringing people together to work as one unified team. Check out the video and guide below for a quick tour. Your workspace is where your people can come together and connect the software and services they need. As a workspace owner, you can set default channels, create guidelines about channel names, add the apps you need, and invite people to join. Most small and medium-sized companies will only need workspace, but larger organizations or those heavily regulated industries might need more. Channels are fundamental to working in Slack. They bring the right people and information together in one place and make it possible to organize work around a common purpose. From the channel header, you can access data about the channel you're in. Click the channel name to see details like the channel topic and description, plus any added files. Use the other tabs to see who's in the channel and view other conversation settings. When working in Slack, you have a variety of messaging options available from the message field to help you communicate and connect with your team. Add files to your messages to share important information alongside your team discussions. From the sidebar, you can access your conversations in Slack. You'll see a list of channels you've joined and your direct messages, notifications for specific conversations, and the option to compose a new messages. You can use the compose button to write and send a message to any conversation. Messages automatically save as drafts in the drafts section of your sidebar until you're ready to send them. Use the navigation icons to go back and forth in your history, just like you would web in browser. Or view recent conversations, search for information, or get help with Slack. The history icons provide quick access to recently viewed items. Use the left and right arrows to go back and forth in your history, or click the clock icon for a list of recent channels, DMs, search results, threads, and more. Welcome to Trello. Trello is a visual work management tool that empowers teams to ideate, plan, manage, and celebrate their work together in a collaborative, productive, and organized way. Whether you and your team are starting something new or trying to get more organized with your existing work, Trello adapts to any project. It helps you simplify and standardize your team's work process in an initiative way. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Trello is user-friendly, yet still able to handle your team's most robust projects. This is a quick overview of the things you need to know when you are just getting started with your first project on Trello. In this section, you will learn what is a board. A board represents a place to keep track of information. A fan for large projects, teams, or workflows. Whether you are launching a new website, tracking sales, or planning your next office party, a Trello board is the place to organize tasks. Next, what is a list? Lists keep cards or specific tasks or pieces of information organized in their various stages of progress. Lists can be used to create a workflow where cards are moved across each step in the process from start to finish, or simply act as a place to keep a track or ideas and information. Then, what is a card? A card is the smallest but the most detailed unit of a board. Cards are used to represent tasks and ideas. A card can be something that needs to get done, like a blog post to be written, or something that needs to be remembered, like a company vacation policies. Just click Add a Card at the bottom of any list to create a new card and give it a name like Hire a New Marketing Manager or Write a blog post. Cards can be customized to hold a wide variety of useful information by clicking on them. Drag and drop cards across lists to show progress. There's no limit to the number of cards you can add to a board. Lastly, the board menu. On the right side of your Trello board is the menu, the mission control center for your board. The menu is where you manage members' board permissions, control settings, search cards, enable power-ups, and create automations. You can also see all of the activity that has taken place on a board in the menu's activities feed. Take some time to check out everything the menu has to offer. Sounds pretty simple, right? Let's get started by creating your first project. But first, you will need an initiative or goal to work on. Now let's talk about the advantages of a Trello. Trello can be used immediately after signing up. Trello offers a free sign up, after which you get access to almost of all its features. It is also a premium service, through most of the important features are available with a free option. Trello follows the Kanban system, which is a popular methodology used to achieve lean management. This means that you can also achieve lean with Trello. Trello's interface has very similar to a mobile application and has very user friendly. It also has a very popular mobile application that has the same features available in the desktop application.